Yes, thank you. So we analyzed the data from pathologic review in KEYNOTE-905, and we found that the pathologic complete response rate, as defined as no tumor in the specimen, was high in the treatment group receiving enfortumab vedotin and pembrolizumab, and exceeded 57%. Exactly, it was 57.1% as opposed to 8.6% in the control group. That's a very good question, because we are treating patients in a subpopulation of muscle-invasive bladder cancer that we consider to be cisplatin ineligible. Those are usually patients who are older and more frail than their cisplatin eligible counterparts. But despite that fact, the regimen within the protocol of KEYNOTE-905 was very well tolerated, and the safety profile and the side effect profile of the combination regimen was in line with that what we know from older clinical trials enrolling patients with that combination regimen. So there were no new safety signals, and overall the toxicity and the feasibility of the regimen within KEYNOTE-905 was good. So first of all, I think that we have to consider the new regimen of enfortumab vedotin and pembrolizumab as the new standard of care for the patient population that we are looking at. And at ASCO GU 26, there has been a publication, an abstract for the KEYNOTE-B15 clinical trial that enrolled those patients who are cisplatin eligible. So we have that perioperative regimen of enfortumab vedotin and pembrolizumab available for the whole patient population of muscle-invasive bladder cancer by now. So that sets a new standard. But given the fact that the neoadjuvant part of this clinical trial with 3 or 4 cycles of enfortumab vedotin was so highly effective in terms of achieving pathologic response rates, it is by nature that the approaches with regard to bladder-sparing treatment are possibilities and highlights that will be rolled out in current clinical trials and that we will look at in the future. For the moment, I have to say that the perioperative regimen, including cystectomy, should be regarded as the treatment regimen of choice for those patients with muscle-invasive bladder cancer.